Hey, we got some practice problems here for calculating function values. The first problem is f of x. It's a piecewise function. The first piece is 7x plus 21 if x is less than or equal to 8. The second piece is x cubed minus 4 if x is greater than 8. So the first thing we want to do is calculate f of 0. So we take this 0 over to the left-hand side of this guy, and we're looking at the fact that we have the possibility of being less than or equal to 8 or greater than or equal to 8. 0 is less than 8, so it fits the first one. So what we say is we use the first one, which is 7x plus 21, so 7 times 0 plus 21 would give us 21. So we plug 0 into this function, we get 21 back. Okay, the next part, f of 5. So we ask our question on the right hand side. Is 5 less than or equal to 8? The answer is yes, so we shouldn't have to look any further. So we'll have 7 times 5 plus 21. 35 plus 21 would be 56, I believe. The last one with f is f of 10. We look on the right hand side. Is 10 less than 8? No. Is 10 greater than 8? Yes. So it fits the second domain option here. So we use x cubed minus 4. So 10 cubed minus 4. 10 cubed is 1,000. So 996. I just made that up, so good for me. Okay, the next problem we'll try here as a practice problem is g of x. It is another piecewise function and it has 3 pieces. The first piece is x squared minus 4x plus 2, and that's if x is less than negative 3. The second piece is absolute value of x and then minus 7, and that's if x is greater than or equal to negative 3 and less than or equal to 3. So those are inclusive. And the third and last piece is 4x plus the square root of x, and that's if x is greater than 3. So we have 3 pieces here. So let's go ahead and let's make sure you pay the most attention when you get started to the right hand side, which are the domain options here. So g of negative 5, negative 5. So let's come through our options. Is negative 5 less than negative 3? And the answer is yes. So we'll have negative 5 squared minus 4 times negative 5 plus 2. So we're using the first piece. So that's 25 plus 20 plus 2. I believe that's 47. Alright. G of 0. Let's go through our options over here. Is 0 less than negative 3? No. Is 0 between negative 3 and 3? Yes. So we'll use the middle one, which is the absolute value of x, which is absolute value of 0. Let's clean that up. I made a mess there. Absolute value of 0, and then minus 7. So 0 is just 0, so we get minus 7. The third part here, g of 9. Go through our domain options. Is 9 less than negative 3? No. Is 9 between negative 3 and positive 3? No. Is 9 greater than 3? Yes. So we're using the third option here. So 4 times 9 plus the square root of 9. So that's 36 plus 3, 39. So it's important to keep in mind that even though piecewise functions have multiple pieces, when you plug something in, there's supposed to be a function and still only give you one distinct answer back. Thank you.